Hi everyone, it's me Faith. I'm back again with yet another unboxing. 4th of July came and went. I had a good time. I hope you did as well. But I did partake in some 4th of July sales. Honestly, for me, if any place is offering free shipping, I'm going to peruse because I hate paying for shipping. I don't care for it. And one of the places that were offering free shipping, no minimum, was Melt Cosmetics. And I've always wanted to buy something from them. I always wanted to buy their stack eyeshadows. The most popular one is Rust. They had like Radioactive, which was like their neon colors, but Rust was like their neutral eye stacks. They're incredibly pigmented and like I kind of like the convenience of having something stackable like that for like traveling or for like everyday usage. I didn't buy it this time just because it's like I own 27,000 bajillion eyeshadow palettes. I don't really need another one that's just neutrals. No offense to Melt Cosmetics. It's just like I personally just have so many eyeshadows. I'm sorry, can we talk about like all these eyeshadows starting to like look like I've literally have bought an eyeshadow palettes for like two or like two, even one color. I was like, ooh, that color is everything. AKA Anastasia Beverly Hills. Tea but no tea. But anyway, just to get in, they had some really cheap things. I want to try some of their lipsticks. I got my lips really nude because I kind of plan on showing you what they look like on. So let's get into it. Shipping was hella fast. Like I placed this order July 5th. It came July 7th. I have no idea what day it is, but we don't fucking care, right? We don't give a fuck. Anyway, so the box came in. Says Melt Cosmetics, really cute. I have not opened it. I have not made sure everything was in there because I want it to be authentic. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it. Oh my god. I fuck with like personal touches like this. Like they're really cute. And I'm feeling this paper. I don't know what you would call it. Like a baby blue. Is that baby blue? Sky blue? Anyway. Ooh, okay. They made sure to pack the fuck out of it. I appreciate that. This is just my packing slip. I got a Melt pouch, which was only $1, and I got it in I think I got it in mustard. And then I got two lipsticks because they were only $5. And I got one in Old Rose and Old Fashioned. They're kind of like, I'm a purple girl. Like my eyeshadow might be neutral, but I am a purple girl. Cyber was that bitch for me. Like I abused the fuck out of Cyber, like the MAC lipstick, because that was just my go-to for everything. I'd wear it in the spring. I was just like, okay, she's feeling some type of way, so Cyber it is. Ooh, this is really cute. I don't know why I bought this pouch. I mean, it's $1. I guess I could just like, I don't know. Yeah, I lied. I did not get mustard. I actually got it in like their soft pink, which is really cute. It says Melt on the thing. I think that's adorable. Okay. All right. Melt Cosmetics coming through with the one time. And they gave me this cute little sticker. I believe it's a sticker. It'd be cute if it was. I'd put that on my day planner. All right, and the two colors I came in, this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, like I said, I got Old Rose and Old Fashioned. They're both matte lipsticks. Even though I am a gloss girl, I still very much fuck with, even though I'm a gloss girl, I still fuck with mattes. I'm sorry, I never really got into like the high glosses. Ooh, I like them. They kind of look like sleek bullets. Okay, this is Old Fashioned. Ooh, that's a really pretty nude. Oh, okay, Old Fashioned. Come through Melt Cosmetics. Okay. They're living up to their name. It just like melted onto my skin. I was like, ooh, that's real cute. I'm going to show these lipsticks without any lip liner so you can kind of see how they look on my skin tone. And this is Old Rose. Ooh. That is so pretty. I'm here for it. I'm sorry. There's something about a good nude, as you can tell, a good mauve that just does something for me personally. So that's where I'm at. Okay. I'll be right back to swatch these on my lips so you can see what they look like on my skin tone if you have a similar complexion. So this is Old Rose on my lips. There's no lip liners. I'm I personally would wear it with a brown lip liner, chestnut, or any brown lip liner that you have. It is a little too cool for my complexion. Um, I mean, it doesn't look bad per se, but it's just like I'm not crazy about how cool tone it is on me. I'm very golden, so be aware of that if you do order Old Rose. I will say I look like I went to school in DC, and this was definitely like a look I saw a lot of girls wearing a lot of cool tone lipsticks with no lip liner. You just end up looking very like ashy in the face, and I was like, I'm sure with like a quick brown liner, this would be like it would be cute. I'm gonna give it like a solid 3 out of 5 without a brown lip liner, but with a lip liner, she's probably that girl. So stay tuned for Old Fashioned. Okay, so now I have Old Fashioned on my lips, and like I'm not mad at this. I definitely think you can go without a brown lip liner or any type of lip liner personally. It's very cool tone, but like I tend to like darker browns like this, darker cool browns. Like this without a lip liner, I think you can get away with it. I'm feeling it. Like I'm sure if I have like a more neutral eye, I could kind of get away with this, but I really like it. Like I prefer Old Fashioned over Old Rose any day. I like the formula. It goes on very smoothly. I would definitely recommend exfoliating your lips because though it's very smooth, I feel like if you have like really dry lips, it would kind of look crazy. But I'm actually not mad at this. Like the more I look at it, I'm just like, yeah, I could do this. It kind of reminds me of like the NYX lingerie, like the very nudie types, but there's definitely a color very similar to this. I'd rate this a 5 out of 5. I feel like I would probably grab Old Fashioned more than I would grab Old Rose. But overall, I'm impressed with both of the colors. I would definitely recommend Melt Cosmetics. Hopefully keep your eye out for a sale. Like literally, this cost me $11 and I paid $0 for shipping, which is like a steal in my eyes personally. So I will be ordering from Melt Cosmetics again personally. So thank you for watching this. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let's talk about these colors down below. If you have any tips to make Old Rose look more appealing on the lips, please leave your tips for me. Por favor. Thank you. Bye.